Hey YouTube, welcome back. It is very early in the morning, but this is when you work on your cars, when you live in Miami, and when you have a baby. Not only is the temperature a lot better, but the family is sleeping. So today we're going to be doing some work on the STI. You can see here the E30 is doing quite well and looking nice as always. But if you saw my video on the 1,000 mile review, you probably remember I mentioned how much I like this Subaru Rumble, and that I was looking forward to perhaps installing an aftermarket exhaust so that I could hear a little bit more of it. And that's essentially what we're going to be doing in this video. We're going to be installing a new Cat-Back exhaust for the STI. So this is the first set of bolts that we're going to be removing to get this stock exhaust system uninstalled. Next step will be to remove the hanger you see right there by the axle. I have placed some wood blocks right underneath the exhaust in the end to make sure it doesn't fall, since I'm doing this by myself. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna detach the muffler from the Y pipe here. So I've added a block of wood to support the pipe as I remove the other one here. So we can work on the mufflers now that we have the Y and the B pipes out of the way. And all we gotta do is remove the hangers. There's two on each side. We've completely removed the stock system. Here's a shot of the stock exhaust system and the Corsa Performance Cat-Back side by side. Here's a quick look at the hardware that came with it. There's some Torca clamps as well as a gasket. Now, since we're going to be installing this new 3-inch pipe onto the existing 2.5-inch downpipe, you're probably going to want to look for an adapter. So I ordered this kit from Greenspeed, which came highly recommended by the Subaru community, and it came with all the hardware I needed and a gasket that seemed a lot better than the one included with the Corsa exhaust. So we're going to be using this instead. So I used some blocks here again to help me keep the meat pipe in the air while I was attaching the flange there to the downpipe. So next step, I'm going to be installing the axle pipe. I've already attached the OEM hanger to it. Just need to slide this clamp. Be attaching to the meat pipe right there. So I managed to get it attached after a bit of a struggle, and the axle pipe is now fully attached to the hanger there. Next step is to attach the white pipe, and we're gonna do the same thing. Essentially slide the pipe first. So the white pipe is ready and it's starting to come together. Next step, mufflers. One side. No need to struggle when you can use some dish soap, which I should have started with from the beginning, but I'll use this now and this hanger should go in a lot easier. So we have everything installed this far, and now it's a matter of adjusting and tightening the clamps. The flange that connects to the downpipe is already as good as it gets, I think. Now I just need to make sure I have enough clearance here, and that I can line the tips so that they look exactly how I want them, and hopefully symmetric on both sides. love the black tips. I think it's worth the upgrade for sure.